Hi guys, how you guys doing? I hope you're all well. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and show your support. Give this video a thumbs up. In this video I am going to be showing you how to make this really moisturizing, exfoliating foot scrub. So this foot scrub you can use to massage your foot as well as scrub it. If you're going to use it, just make sure you've soaked your feet in some water so your feet is wet and the skin is quite soft and it can easily peel off. So once your feet feels that way, you can gently rub this scrub into your feet. It contains shea butter, olive oil, sugar, peppermint essential oil, and some eucalyptus. So it gives you that tingly sensation as well. Definitely try it out. I'd love to know how you go with it. Leave me a comment in the comment section below, letting me know if you've tried any foot scrubs before and if they worked for you. Let's get right into the video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up too. Alright guys, so the exact measurements will be in the description box below. So what you're going to do is make sure your shea butter is at room temperature, add in your olive oil, and then whisk it together till you get a creamy consistency. Once that's done, we're going to add 10 drops of our eucalyptus oil, and same for our peppermint oil as well. And once that's well mixed in, I'm going to add in the sugar and give it a good stir. You can use any sugar of choice. I'm using brown sugar because that's what I have available, but white sugar will do the job just fine. So long as it's gritty, it can help to get rid of any dead skin. So now I'm going to transfer it into a jar. I made about 100 ml of this. So the measurements that I'll give you, this is how much foot scrub you're going to get out of it. That is pretty much it guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure you leave a comment below letting me know about any foot scrubs that you have tried in the past. This is very creamy, but at the same time you can feel the grittiness. Thanks for watching guys. Take care. Bye bye.